Well, here we are, it's handover day. I'm out at Stony Creek Campers at Bundamba, and I'm here to pick up our new Stony Creek 19. So we'll go down and have a chat and hook it up. Well, now we've got it, it's hooked up. We haven't had it a year yet.
Well, the sun's just rising on the open plains, and the wandering huckleberries are on the road again. In their off-grid caravan, with their dog and no plan, they're heading anywhere just because they can. Oh, the wandering huckleberries, they roam so free through the red outback and the swaying gum trees, from the desert to the mountains and then maybe the sea, chasing adventure with nowhere to be.
Hey Michelle, I don't think people are going to believe what we've got to say.
Probably not.
What is it?
We're selling our beautiful van.
We're selling the Stony Creek 19.
Oh no, no, no.
But how old is it?
7 months?
Yeah, 8 months.
There? Yeah.
It's not even a year old yet.
Yeah.
Flashback.
Hey Michelle, where are we?
We're at the Let's Go Queensland Caravan and Camping Super Show, Glenn.
We are. And what are we looking for?
We're looking to upgrade the Stony Creek 15, maybe.
Soon after.
Okay, we're all hooked up. Got the 19 on the back there. So we'll get it home, get it loaded, and get away this weekend.
End of flashback.
So you're thinking, hey,
Why?
why are they selling it? What is wrong with it? They're getting rid of it so soon.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Nah.
I love this van, but
It doesn't suit us.
anymore.
Yeah, well, we should have known that 7 months ago, but our situation changed, and it changed quite quickly. And so this van, which is a great off-roader that we've never had any trouble with, and even when we do have even minor issues,
Stony Creek fixed it straight away.
they've looked after us, and they've looked after everyone that we know is Stonies.
Yeah.
And they do it in a day or two, or depending on what they've got to do. But yeah, they do a great job. It's not our forever van. We're looking for a bit more space now. Yeah, so we're putting it on the market, and I mean we've put lots of things onto this van.
We sure have, yeah.
Probably shouldn't have done that if knowing that.
Some things we haven't even used.
We've got a full porch that goes on the front, and anti-flap kits still in the box.
Yeah.
Haven't even used them.
It's got an insert so you can cook outside. We've got a brand new skirt
Yeah,
that
the
we haven't
skirt.
used either.
No, it hasn't even. I think it's out of the box, but it's never been used. Some of the things that we did put on this van, first thing that we put on the van was a diesel heater.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, it's great. We're here at Gamera at the moment, and we had it on last night. It was perfect.
Yeah. I put a DO 45 on.
Yeah.
A lot of people towing 3.5 ton vans have still got DO 35s, and that's fine. But for me,
This comes with the DO45 for you.
yeah, this one comes with a DO 45, and I prefer having that leeway. I prefer having, an extra 1,000 kilos of, you're not working at the extreme of the pin. And this is an ATM of 3.5,
Yep.
and it's got a tear of around 2960.
Please hang up and try again.
So it's got about a
540 kilo payload.
Yeah, which
It's about average.
Yeah, it's
about average.
There's oodles of storage, and I will miss that. I'll miss the outdoor pantry, which is amazing. So we've got a good size fridge freezer for Dominic. So we're loving the freezer. It's pretty empty at the moment. I've just got ice cubes in there for my wine and for your bourbon. Fridge is not really organised the way I want, but got the wine handy. But that's a really good size too, and everything's really nice and cold.
And we never had a fridge in the last one.
No, we didn't. So.
Oh, we had a portable fridge.
Yeah, but we're using these cupboards for all our jumpers and jeans and stuff. We've got one each. Those 3 cupboards above there are still empty over the bed because
Over
the bed they're still empty. So we'll be putting things in there that we don't need to get to very often.
And what about
So
more down here?
Down here. We've put Boss stabiliser legs on it as well. So
Yeah, well, there's another $3,800 worth
Yeah.
of stabiliser legs,
got a
and they
black-
will lift this van off the ground to change a tyre.
So it's got the blackjack on there, which I think they come with.
There
and
you go. It's
and
got a
we've
blackjack.
Airbag man suspension in it.
It's full airbag suspension.
Yeah,
Tucson sway control.
that's awesome.
Anyway, the van tows beautifully. It's on airbags. Got the PSI set to 43 in the airbags. No trouble at all. One thing I do like that I didn't have on the 15 is the Tucson sway control. You know, some of these roads can get a little bit bumpy, and when the van is bumping from side to side on some of the undulations and things, that sway control has activated and just kept the van tracking nicely. So I highly recommend the Tucson sway control. These things recommended retail now on the Gen 3, which is the same as this with different stickers, is $94,990. At the recent show, the show special was $86,990. Yeah, no, this is aluminium frame, and it's a compromise, you know, because the Scout 19 has got plenty of space, got plenty of storage, overhead cupboards, and really good hatches. 3 good size hatches there under the bed.
Once again, Stony Creek have done really well again by putting an outside cooker, which we use all the time. So basically, this is a new design. So it comes out like this. So I won't be able to pull this section out because the Weber's actually here, but this actually slides out. There's a 3 burner and a sink here, and it's a lot more lightweight. But this slides across this way, so you've got a server here. But what we found too is we have a pizza cooker at the moment. This is a much longer tunnel boot and a little bit wider, so the Weber slides in and out really easily without hitting. So thumbs up, Stony Creek, great job.
This is a bargain, all the accessories, but wait, there's more.
What? Oh, yes, there is more.
Yeah, there's more.
So I've got fusion locks all through the van. You can keep those too.
There, you've got your fusion locks, and
Ooh.
I've mounted 2 additional TV points inside, so that you can have multiple positions for the TV. The TV in the 19 is at the end of the bed, on the wall, and there's the fridge. Yep. So I had them install another TV point and hanger over here. Just remember, you must have the power, that USB, plugged in, because that's the antenna. It's got a powered antenna. So it's much easier here because then you can swing it around this way. And in fact, I've added another hanger here. So you can put a second TV in, and there's another hanger outside so you can take it outside. So that way you can hang your TV there and sit back here at the dinette and watch your TV. Well, not only that, you've got a satellite feed input too. So right here, on the side here, is a cap, which
It's very tight.
open with my fingers right now. There it is. So that is an antenna input. Sorry about all the screaming kids here. Nothing we can do about it. We asked them.
It's Christmas in July at Gameri Bush Camp, so it's a great weekend.
We did say quiet on set, but that didn't work. Yeah, so all the accessories on this van are coming with it, except my e-bike. My e-bike stays with me. The Scout 19 is a really solid van, really solid van, and it was just a natural progression for us to step up from the 15. They didn't have a 17 then, so we stepped into the 19, and not regretting it, but just realised that we want a different layout inside. and now we want some of the luxuries as well. So that's why you'll see us, well, that's why you probably saw us at the caravan and camping show in Brisbane. Hey Michelle, is there anything you like here?
Everything.
Everything. Haven't we got enough gear already?
Never enough.
Never enough.
No.
Well, you might have to get a bigger Ram
Yep.
or a bigger van.
Yep. Both.
Or what? Both. There you go. You heard it here first that we're getting a bigger Ram and a bigger van. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Look who we bumped into. Look who we bumped into. But this weekend we've been out at a place called the Gora Hideaway.
At Tenterfield.
Just out of Tenterfield on Mole River. Owned by Chris and Sean of Big Oz. And we hosted a thing called the American Truck and Van Jamboree. And that was huge. You'll see some pictures in here. We'll see you real soon. So we've got 700 watts of solar and 300 amp hours of battery power.
And a 3000 watt inverter.
A 3000 watt inverter. Don't use the inverter that much, but
No.
it did come in handy for the
Microwave, the induction
cooker.
hair straightener.
Oh, hair straightener. You've got to have one of those, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we never got below, I guess, 45% one day, but it was a rather cloudy day.
Yeah, for 2 days it was pretty cloudy.
Yeah, so we're here for a week, and no trouble at all. We did have a solar blanket, so we chucked that out on that on the cloudy days just to compensate a little bit for the, you know, being an overcast day. We do have a generator. We don't use it much, but if there's
Just
days
in
when
case.
you'll get, or weeks you could get multiple days of rain, and that's when it may come in handy. So we do carry one.
But you put this nice little bike carrier on the front.
Yeah, I've got the e-bike carrier on the front. It's all covered up now because we're just packing up after a huge weekend.
Great Annexes did this great cover for us, which was pretty good. They're Great Annexes at Brendale.
Great Annexes also did our
Porch.
And
And the inserts so we can...
yeah, and a sail track along this side because you forget the offside,
These were the
and
fridges.
it heats up. That's where the fridge is. You want to put a shade sail or something in there.
It's very
a
cold
bit fresh
here.
here, a bit fresh.
And that's where the diesel heater is really good too.
Yeah, there you go. Nice plug. Yeah, the diesel heater we used this weekend.
And Stony Creek have been great with us too, service-wise, warranty-wise. Nothing's too big or...
Yeah, great company. I love the fact that they've got their own offices in New South Wales,
Western
in Western Australia, in South Australia,
Yeah.
in Queensland too, in Queensland.
Yeah.
So unlike some other brands that only have one office in Melbourne, you can always get help on the Stony Creek if you need it. And, you know, there's been those odd little things. There haven't been the van that has been a problem. But, you know...
That's just with any caravan. It's your three month shakedown. Little things move around and...
yeah, you know, the spinny thing on the...
hatch.
That's the word I'm looking for, the hatch that opens in the bathroom. I broke one of those off, probably being a bit heavy-handed, but
That was me.
yeah, otherwise, all good.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Anyway, we're packing up now to go home after a fantastic week away.
that's right. And what are you going to do now?
Like and subscribe, Wandering Huckleberries.
Leave a comment.
Please.
If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments.
But anyway, I hope someone enjoys this van. It's an absolutely beautiful van. I do love this van, but a great opportunity has come our way. We will still be travelling. We will get another van
We'll tell you more about that later.
later.
Can't say anything now. That's the Scout 19. You could buy much worse than that van, let me tell you. If we didn't want the luxuries, we wouldn't be selling it. So if you're keen, you'll save $20,000 buying this one, and it's less than 12 months old. Look us up.
If you've got any questions, please just shoot us a message and we can tell you anything you need to know.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So if you hear their song when the wind starts to call, you'll know the wandering huckleberries are traveling through it all. With the sun on their backs and the moon up above, they're making their memories and living the dream.
Cheers. Life's good.